Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary lesson takes a deeper look at the term acumen. Acumen is a noun that means sharp, practical intelligence, especially the ability to understand situations quickly and make good judgments in difficult or changing conditions. The word often suggests insight that is not merely theoretical or book smart, but practical, strategic, and useful when decisions have real consequences for people or organizations. Acumen is often paired with a field such as business, financial, political, or legal acumen to show clear, practical skill in that specific area. In everyday life, acumen describes someone's ability to read a situation, notice important details, and make intelligent decisions before others can respond. The term suggests that judgment comes from experience, perception, and mental sharpness, not just information, confidence, or a formal title held in an organization. The meaning is generally consistent across English speaking regions, and the word often describes practical intelligence used in decisions involving people, risk, money, or strategy. For example, his social acumen helped him notice tension at the dinner table, change the subject gently, and keep the evening from becoming uncomfortable for everyone. The founder's business acumen helped the small company avoid a risky contract, choose better partners, and grow without taking on unnecessary debt too early. The journalist praised the mayor's political acumen, noting how she built support for a controversial policy without publicly alienating her strongest opponents during negotiations. Common phrases include business acumen, financial acumen, political acumen, commercial acumen, and strategic acumen, each naming sharp judgment in a particular area of expertise. Acumen is a formal, positive word. It is common in professional English, biographies, job descriptions, business writing, and serious discussion of leadership or strategy. Use acumen when intelligence is not specific enough. The word suggests practical judgment that works well under pressure, especially in complex or competitive situations. When you hear acumen, picture someone quickly seeing what matters, understanding the risks, and making a smart decision while others are still confused about it. That's acumen. One word, stronger English.